Welcome back to Deutsche Tech Performance, guys. As you well know, we've been friends with the guys over at Meguiars for quite a while. We helped build their Volvo. We've done some exhaust work on their Renault 5. Now, their Renault 5 has come to us with a few running issues. They're not exactly the most reliable of cars. They run on a carb. So, after having some meetings with Tom over at Meguiars, we decided that we can do an engine conversion. So, we decided to convert it with a 172 Clio engine. So the 2 litre 16 valve, it's obviously got electronic ignition, so it'll be much more reliable and you can just jump in it and drive it. Whereas this, it keeps getting driven in and out of the unit, keeps flooding it, and they just want something they can jump in and give a bit of beans. So we bought this. It's a Phase 1 172 Clio. I've just taken it for a drive. It does everything that it's meant to do. Perfect for our transplant. We can use everything in the engine bay and put it over into the Renault 5. So we're looking forward to getting this on the road for them. We're going to do a little series, put it together as I go through it. Obviously I've got to strip the engine out of that one, strip it out of that one, put it in. Sounds easy, right? So yeah, we're going to pull the Renault in. Well, I say the Renault, they're both Renaults. We're going to pull the Clio in first and strip that engine down and then go from there. So yeah, subscribe, guys.